What you're looking at here is a Patton 52-inch, from what I would assume is the very early 80s. It has a metal flywheel with a rubber isolation ring at the hub. It uses an Emerson K55, a chunky Emerson K55, rated for 1.5 amps. Apparently these motors were only used in the very early 80s, probably 80 to 81, so I would assume that's what this is. So anyway, we're going to see what it does. Starting on low. It is a variable speed fan. It's relatively quiet for a variable speed fan. Now we're going to turn it up just a notch. Has a bit of wobble to it, which seems relatively typical for these fans, at least from what I've seen. Another notch. Put it to about medium, possibly medium high. The motor housing of this thing is thick enough to perhaps accept maybe an Emerson K63, if that was to have been an option. Because there is a lot of free space in the housing for the motor. I don't know if you noticed, but the reverse switch is on the housing as well. Notch. Alright, put the full blast. The motor is rated for 200 RPMs, but I want to say it's going a little faster than that. Perhaps maybe 220, 225 on high speed. And again, it is not the loudest variable speed fan, which is surprising. There's a good bit of air too. I'm going to turn it off. I found this fan at a thrift shop, paid a little more than I wanted to. I was running around the place, looking for fans, seeing if there's anything interesting. I was about to leave, then saw this in a box, and I was like, holy shit, this is coming home with me now. Personally, I find this to be a bit of a childhood fan. I remember it from when I was a kid at a friend's house. It was very weird, very chunky. There's also wobbled like hell. So, now we're going to reverse it. And we're going to start straight on high. High in reverse. Off. The pull chain on mine, on this one, is simple on and off, does nothing more. Others apparently have three-way pull chains where it's light, fan, then fan, light. Not this one. It uses a yellow wire for the light kit. Unusual considering the majority of fans use a blue or red line for the light. The bearings are a little sticky. Blades turn freely, they're a little sticky.